If you're looking for a way to generate extra income from home, you're in the right place. Meet Jane, a hardworking mother of two who was struggling to make ends meet. With inflation on the rise and bills piling up, Jane was desperate to find a way to make extra income from home. Jane was skeptical at first, but she couldn't ignore the benefits of the Live Good products. So she decided to sign up, and within minutes, she was given a temporary position in the company and all the tools she needed to start earning extra income. Live Good not only provided Jane with quality products, but it also gave her the opportunity to earn extra income by sharing the products with others. With Live Good's compensation plan, Jane had the potential to earn over $2,000 a month without ever enrolling a single person. And with Live Good's matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, Jane doubled her earning potential. Millions of people are joining Live Good in the next 24 months. And the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So what are you waiting for? Fill out the form on the Live Good link in the description and reserve your free temporary position in the company today. Join Jane and countless others who are achieving financial freedom with Live Good. As an affiliate marketer, adding Live Good to your portfolio of products could greatly improve your sales and income. With the current state of the economy, people are looking for high-quality products that won't break the bank. And that's exactly what Live Good offers. By joining Live Good as an affiliate for just $9.95 a month plus a one-time $40 sign-up fee, you'll have access to the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet at up to 75% off. Plus, with Live Good's compensation plan, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix, without ever having to enroll a single person. But the real beauty of Live Good is that the products virtually sell themselves. With their quality and affordability, your customers will keep coming back for more. And with the help of Live Good's tools, systems, websites, videos, and training, you'll be able to easily and quickly earn extra income. To get started, simply enter your name and email on the link in the description of this video. And Live Good will reserve you a position in their power line. Each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out, so don't wait any longer. Join me and countless others who are achieving financial freedom with Live Good. Click the link in the description and I see you at the top with Live Good.